What is snoring? Causes and symptoms. Snoring is more than just a nighttime annoyance. It can be a sign of underlying health concerns. Often characterized by a harsh or hoarse noise during sleep, snoring occurs when air passes through relaxed throat tissues, causing them to vibrate. While occasional snoring is common, chronic snoring may indicate deeper issues, such as obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, a condition in which the throat muscles relax excessively and block airflow repeatedly during sleep. Other contributing factors to snoring include awkward sleeping positions, use of sedatives, excessive alcohol consumption before bed, swollen or inflamed nasal tissues, chronic nasal congestion, a deviated nasal septum, and sleep deprivation. These conditions can make snoring more frequent and severe, interfering with sleep quality. How snoring affects your health. Though it may seem harmless, chronic snoring can have serious health consequences. Individuals with OSA face a 40% higher risk of premature death compared to those without the condition. Health problems linked to chronic snoring include heart disease, stroke, arrhythmias, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Daytime drowsiness is another significant issue, increasing the likelihood of accidents and impairing concentration and cognitive function. Over time, snoring-related sleep deprivation can also affect mental health, potentially triggering anxiety, depression, irritability, and difficulty focusing, sometimes leading to aggressive behavior and emotional instability. What are anti-snoring devices? Anti-snoring devices are tools designed to minimize snoring and improve sleep quality. These devices function by keeping airways open, reducing tissue vibration, and in some cases, correcting minor anatomical issues. They are especially useful for people with chronic snoring and offer a non-invasive solution to promote better sleep for both the snorer and those around them. Popular anti-snoring devices include mouthguard anti-snoring devices, nasal dilators, vibrating anti-snoring devices, chin straps, anti-snoring bumper belts, nasal strips, wedge pillows, continuous positive airway pressure (CPAP) machines. Chronic snoring is not just a social inconvenience. It may reflect or lead to serious health problems. Anti-snoring devices can significantly reduce snoring and improve overall well-being. However, since each individual's needs differ, it is best to consult a healthcare provider to determine the most effective device for your condition. If you want to learn more about a healthy lifestyle, subscribe to our channel to get more tips and advice. Thank you for watching.